Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Yaris GR in Forza Horizon 5. The most straightforward method to add this popular car to your garage is by purchasing it from the auction house. This often requires a substantial amount of in-game currency, sometimes reaching around 13 million credits. You'll need to be patient and quick, as these cars are highly sought after by other players. Another excellent way to obtain the GR Yaris is by using a backstage pass. This car has appeared in the backstage shop before, and it might return in future updates. You earn backstage passes by completing various challenges within the festival playlist. Keep an eye on the shop rotations, as this can be a great way to get the car without spending millions of credits. When using the auction house, patience and speed are key. Constantly refresh the listings, focusing your search on the Toyota GR Yaris. Many players will be doing the same, so having your credits ready for an immediate buyout is crucial. Don't hesitate when you see a good deal, as it will likely be gone in seconds. The Toyota GR Yaris is a fantastic car, highly praised for its incredible handling and impressive grip, especially in A-class events. Its compact size and responsive nature make it a joy to drive on various circuits. Whether you're a competitive racer or a dedicated collector, adding the GR Yaris to your collection is definitely a worthwhile endeavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.